Okay, hello guys, welcome to Tribus FX Trading. This is going to be a session that's going to be split in two halves. The first half is going to be in English and the second should be in Arabic. Okay, so I'm going to go over some chart analysis on pound JPY or GJ, and let's start. So looking at the daily time frame, if you look all the way from here, so as you can see we have weak rejections. So we're going to be looking at mostly the recent price action. So we have a resistance created over there and a support that's been created over here. If you move down, as I forgot to mention, price has been on a bullish trend, so everything is going to be going up. But as we go down on the time frames, our bias will be more clearer. So if you go down on the 4 hour. So for our resistance should be a bit higher right over here, because as you can see, this is where we had our most rejections. That's the first one, second one, and the third one, which is from today morning. Then we move our support should be around there, give or take. Okay. And then if we do more breakdowns, we should have another resistance right around there. I mean support, apologies. Okay, let's go down to the 1 hour time frame, because that's where our entries or our other analysis will be more to our trading style. Okay, so let's fix these levels just a bit right there. Okay. So as you guys can see here was a move from today morning during the New York session. Price came down, created this level, and then started consolidating for a while. But what I would be looking for the Asian session is I would be looking for sells for a few reasons. The first reason is this, because we're on a sell bias, and because we had this last couple of days. The reason is because this is a very consolidated area, which I don't want price to go near, because if it happens and price goes up, we will have probably the same issue around the same level around here. So this is something I don't want to be in, because that's the last thing you would. And if we end up there, don't take a trade unless price has a clean price action. So let me clear this out real quick. Okay, so like I was saying, we don't want to take any buys around these areas. Okay, now if we look on the sell bias, we should have an area around here with some adjustments. Beautiful. So let's put in this tool so we have exact numbers, so you guys can copy them if you want later on. And everything is going to be posted on the Instagram channel, like always, analysis, breakdowns, and everything. So if you missed this, you wouldn't need to worry about anything. So if we look at the sell biases, so if if price starts to reject and come back down, and we have a candle close like this below the level, and then with each person's confirmation in his trading plan, he or she should be looking for sells to go to these lows right here. But because this is a very big range, because this is almost a 70 pip range, price would not fall down just one shot. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, but in any case we would have to we could have a support right away because we are in a bullish trend. So our first TP would be around 14800. So that's where we would take our first profits. So from here to here, that's probably a 35-40 pip range. Yeah, 35 pip range, which is very good to take 20 pips, 20-25 pips at least as in profits. and if we end up hitting this support, that's even a beautiful bonus, which is another should be another 20 pips, 40 pips, which is very good also. So like I said, first target and then the second target, which is right here. And for buys, like I said, I wouldn't be looking for buys because of what happened previous days, and then because of this rejection, and we don't know what will happen during the Asian and London session, so we just have to wait and see what could happen. That should be it for the English commentary. Now I'm going to be speaking Arabic. If you guys want to stick around, that would be nice, but if you don't, it's all good. I'm going to be doing the same market breakdown to the other guys, and nothing will be different. أهلين شباب، إن شاء الله يومكم خير. راح نعمل ماركت أناليسيس على الباوند جي بي واي. لو نروح على الديلي تايم فريم، لو نشوف الماركت عمل ريجكشنز لنفس الليفل هون 1 تايم، وهي المرة الثانية، وفي مرة ثالثة هون. لو نروح على السمول تايم فريمز، لو نروح على الفور اور، لو 4 اور شوفوا هي واحدة، هي 2 3 وهي 4 مرات عمل فيها السعر رفض للمستوى، وكمان هون عمل رفض المستوى، بس لأنه هذه الطريقة الطبيعية اللي يتحرك فيها السوق، يعني يروح من 1 ليفل للمستوى اللي بعده، يعمل شوية بريك، يعني راحة عشان يستمر بالحركة تبعته. لو نروح على 1 اور تايم فريم، خلينا نعمل cleaning. اوكي 1 اور تايم فريم، لو كيما نشوفوا ان السوق عمل عملية بيع ونزل لتحت وعمل الليفل هاد، كيما تشوفوا انه الشمعة هي طالعة لفوق، بس انا شخصيا ما راح ابحث على اي مبيعات، لانه عندنا السبب هي، لانه عندنا الشمعة هي، الكمية هي من الشمعة من البرايس، في عملية تكاتل. السبب انه ما كانتش فيه اي فوليوم، والشخصيا مش حابحث على اي مبيعات، لانه لو الشمعة هي راح تكون هون، لو فات راح تواجه مشاكل مع منطقة هي، وراح تكون مشاكل يعني ما I don't wanna be in. I wanna take something easy, get in, get out. راح ابحث على شيء سهل عشان ادخل بالسوق واخرج and that's it. I call it a day. So اللي انا راح ابحث عنه شخصيا، راح ابحث عن عملية بيع. عملية البيع اللي انا راح ابحث عنها راح تكون تحت الليفل هاد، يعني تحت الليفل هاد راح تكون عملية بيع حلوة جميلة جدا جدا، لانه السوق عمل ليفل هون، كما تشوفوا هون عمل السوق ليفل المستوى هي، والمسافة يعني الرينج لمدة 30 نقطة، والفول تارجت الهدف الكامل راح يكون لتحت هون، اللي هو حوالي 39 40 نقطة. فالconfirmations او التأكيدات اللي راح نبحث عنها راح تكون، قبل ما نبحث عن التأكيدات لازم من المفضل تكون عندنا شمعة أغلقت تحت الليفل، ومن ثم راح نبحث عن التأكيدات اللي موجودة عندنا بالتريدنج بلانز تبعتنا. بيقول لو عندنا confirmations تبعت الخاصة بينا والتأكيدات، ناخد السيلز all the way down here للمستوى هذا، take profit 1 أو أخذ المربح الأول، ومن ثم لو عندنا runner أو تركين عملية مبيع من العمليات اللي أخذناها، راح نتركها تروح لهون، ولو أخذنا لو البرايس وصل للمستوى هذا راح تكون جميل جدا. لو ما وصلش يعني ما وصلش، بس المهم انه يكون عندنا risk management good، ويعني نكون منتبهين من اللي ايش يمكن يصير بالسوق. وهي التحليلات الجلسة الآسيوية والجلسة لندن. لو اي حد عنده سؤال ممكن تسألوني على الخاص، وان شاء الله نقدر نساعدكم. It would be nice and appreciated if you guys drop a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and these will be here every day at the same around the same time, give or take. وكما قلت بالإنجليزي الفيديوهات هذول راح يكونوا هون كل يوم، وراح تكون بنفس الطريقة، يعني راح نجو على الباوند جي بي واي، راح نعمل تحاليل وراح تكون منشورة على اليوتيوب. وكما قبل ما ننهي, everything is going to be posted on Instagram again. So thank you very much and have a good one.